Welcome to our in-depth review of Aavegotchi, where we'll take you through everything you need to know about this unique NFT platform. Aavegotchi is a fascinating project that brings together the world of decentralized finance, DeFi, and collectible NFTs. The platform revolves around Aavegotchis, digital ghosts-like avatars that live on the blockchain and can be bought, sold, and staked for rewards. Each Aavegotchi has distinct traits, which are determined by its underlying collateral and rare characteristics. Getting started with Aavegotchi is easy. To begin, you'll need to connect your wallet, such as MetaMask or another compatible wallet, to the platform. Once connected, you can browse through the different Aavegotchis available for purchase. They each have unique properties, such as rarity, wearables, and traits that influence their value. You can also stake Aavegotchis, locking them up to earn rewards in the form of Aave tokens or other incentives. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Once you have your Aavegotchi, you can engage with the ecosystem in several ways. You can participate in games, such as mini games and activities, to earn rewards and boost your Aavegotchi's traits. Additionally, Aavegotchi offers an engaging and vibrant community where you can connect with other users, trade Aavegotchis, and discuss strategies. The staking mechanism is at the heart of the platform, allowing you to lock up your Aavegotchi and earn rewards in the form of a variety of tokens. The more you stake and interact, the higher your Aavegotchi's traits and potential value become. Aavegotchi also features a governance system, letting the community vote on key decisions, further integrating decentralized finance into the gaming experience. Aavegotchi is not just about collecting rare NFTs. It's a whole ecosystem that allows users to earn, play, and engage in the growing DeFi space. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or someone new to NFTs, Aavegotchi offers a fun and rewarding experience. So, explore the platform, start building your Aavegotchi collection, and discover all the ways you can participate in this exciting new world. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a like.